he's still sleeping, but I'm editing and pillows. What did you do to it? I glued it. I don't know how to turn it around.
This is
Oh, Bianca.
This is the only reason Jenna brings me here to fix stuff.
Yes. Wait, show what happened. We open the tap.
Okay, let me show it now. But there's a spurt of water that sprays on you.
It's really annoying. And then Bianca made me buy a tool to fix it.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Oh, it doesn't fit. It's too big. Your tap. Oh. Oh. Oh,
Bianca!
okay, we'll stop filming now. Okay, surprise, surprise, she does have tools, and it worked. I unscrewed it, and now,
Don't
see how
break
gross
it,
it is. Oh, it's already, I can feel sticky on my hand.
Oh, don't put this on camera.
Ew.
Ew.
How do we take this off?
No.
Well, see.
It's all of these things. You know how to clean your sinks? Then all the little gunk goes in there? It looks so weird.
And you're supposed to, I guess you could blow it out. I guess I can do that. That's kind of gross. Home. This entertained me the whole day. Taylor Swift weekend. Living far away from people that you used to live really close to is really hard. I hate saying goodbye. I feel like I never had to say goodbye that much until I decided 3 years ago to, I guess, say goodbye. But there's something about it that you would think that you'd get more practice with it, but it just gets harder every time. Like, I viscerally hate saying goodbye. Like, it just, my whole demeanor changes. It's so hard, man. So hard. Anyway. Hello, good evening. It's like round about 9 o'clock on Sunday. You saw me arrive back home. I would always describe myself as an extrovert. And people give me so much energy. As I've grown older in life, I really enjoy my own space and I'm very comfortable with myself and I really love myself. It sounds creepy, but I really do. I love my own space. But there are certain people in my life that when I spend time with them, I'm like, oh, I get so energized and I genuinely get sad when I have to say goodbye. And it's because I'm gonna miss them so much because of what they, like how they make me feel. And I think this is something important in life where it sounds so selfish when you say it out loud, because I like you because of the way you make me feel. But like the most charismatic people that I've ever met in life, you're around them and you walk and you're like, oh wow, why do I feel so much better after being around this random stranger? Or the most like caring, loving, trustworthy people, when you spend time around them, you walk away and you're like, oh wow, I feel loved, I feel cared for, I feel nurtured. And it's always this self-feeling because we are the most important entities to ourselves, and that sounds incredibly narcissistic, but it is, because it is our world that we are living in. And I get this like really low when I'm not around people. Like I get used to it after a while. It's kind of like a graph. I wonder if I can draw it. Probably can't. But it goes like, I build up all of this energy when I'm around these people, and it's so awesome, and I feel so great, and I have this energy when I continue around them. As soon as I leave, I drop and I go low, and I get very like, I don't know, closed in a little bit, and I can already start to feel that this is happening. But it's fine. It's fine. This is a random Sunday vlog, but lovely to spend time with Jenna. Always good. Yeah, I guess we will see you tomorrow for more tech themed vlog.